Good evening, everyone. I'm Dan Flores, the Vice Chair of the Sutter County Board of Supervisors. Thank you for joining us here at the Yuba County Government Center under these very unique circumstances. I'm happy to be joined tonight by my colleagues from both the Yuba and Sutter County jurisdictions, and I'd like to introduce first Doug Lofton, the Chairman of the Yuba County Board of Supervisors. Ricky Samoa, the Mayor of Marysville. Rick West, the Mayor of Wheatland. Sean Harris, the Mayor of Yuba City. Sean. And Bob Wotan, the Mayor of Live Oak. Bob. Both counties have been working diligently together as a joint incident command to address the coronavirus, better known as COVID-19. Okay, and at this time, I'd like to introduce our Yuba-Sutter Health Officer, Dr. Phuong Luu.
Good evening, Yuba and Sutter community. This evening, I have decided to issue a directive in relation to restricting activities in response to COVID-19 outbreak. As you all know, the situation has gotten a lot more serious in our country, in our state, and specifically in our Northern California region. In a matter of a few days, Sacramento County has tripled its number of cases. This gives me grave concerns about the situation as it pertains to the Yuba-Sutter bi-county region. Therefore, I am issuing a directive that will be effective as of Thursday, March 19th, 11:59 p.m. The body of the directive is as follows. It is hereby directed that all individuals living in the county of Sutter and Yuba remain at their place of residence except that they may leave to provide or receive certain services or engage in certain activities and work for business and government services, exempting individuals experiencing homelessness from the directive, but urging them to find existing shelters and seek existing public services to address their needs. Directing all businesses and governmental agencies to cease non-essential operations at physical locations in the county of Sutter and Yuba. Prohibiting all non-essential gatherings of any number of individuals and directing cessation of all non-essential travel. I strongly recommend your cooperation with this directive of mine in order to flatten the epidemic curve. We need to do this, and we need to do this now. The essential functions of life is not limited by this directive. I will not be able to list every single one, but I will give you certain examples. You can still go see your doctor. You can still go to the grocery store. You could even go to the bank. The social isolation that is necessary are gatherings, such as in bars, in dine-in restaurants, in religious institutions gatherings. For community members, please go to bepreparedyuba.org and bepreparedsutter.org for the posting of my directive and also for frequently asked questions that will likely stem from this directive.